Hello. Welcome back to Paralegal Business Owner. And today I want to talk about how shady lawyers or bad lawyers keep legal document preparers in business. Okay, so as you know, as with Paralegal Business Owner, we teach you how to start, run, and maintain your own paralegal and legal document preparation business. All right. And legal document preparation is when you are preparing legal documents, really filling out forms for citizens, which, this is another business aspect we talk about. And so I want to talk about this because, as you know, as a paralegal, you can only work for an attorney or under an attorney. But as a legal document preparer, you can work directly for the citizen. All right. And I want to make this video because when you start your own legal document preparation business, you got to understand the business. Any business you're in, you want to understand it 360, okay, all the way around, okay? And so we want to know where your customers are coming from and things of that nature, okay? And so me being in this business for a while, I now see I've been seeing this, that a lot of customers for my legal document preparation arm of the business comes from disgruntled people who have spent thousands upon thousands of dollars on attorneys, and they did not get anything done, and now they need other help. Okay, so they're looking for other strategies to help with their case. And it's crazy the phone calls I get about how lawyers have done their clients directly from the client themselves. Now, I didn't give attorneys a bad name. I didn't give them the reputation they have of, being sleazy and, just being doing their clients wrong. In America, they have that reputation. And I used to always think it was an over exaggeration until I start getting into this field. And so what I'm saying is that a lot of your customers are going to be coming from the lack of attentiveness from attorneys, and they got tired of it. So they either so the customer is like, you know what, I'm done spending thousands on attorneys. I'm going to take this case on myself. I just need somebody to do the forms for me. So they will call you, tell you what happened, and I would tell them, hey, well, I'm really sorry for what happened. I cannot give you legal advice. I can't do anything, but what I can do is fill out the forms, that you're requesting to move your case forward. Okay. And so what I'm saying is that, they're going to come with you with the stories about lawyers who didn't call them back, lawyers who did not file a notice of appeal in their case, even though they said they was going to do it, lawyers who just did all kinds of stuff that drove these customers to the point where they have to take on their legal issues themselves. Okay, that's where a lot of business comes from in the legal document preparation field. A lot of people who try to do the traditional lawyer route, who tried to pay the retainer, it just didn't work out for them for various reasons. Maybe their case was bad, but a lot of times when you listen, because you should listen to your customers, you'll see like, wow, this attorney is really messed up. All right, you can go look at the case file they provide you, the case number. You'll see the mistakes they made and all sorts of crap they done. These lawyers be out here doing people dirty. Let me just put it like that. Once again, this is not coming from my experience. This is coming from directly from the client. Lawyers making promises they can't keep, uh, promising outcomes of cases. I mean, it's just a lot of ethical situations that happen. But the good thing for you is that, once again, this is why this industry is going to boom even more in the future. Okay, because attorneys, a lot of them feel like they can just, oh, I got the title, I got the education, that's it, listen to me. And then when they lose in court or they do something wrong to their client, they try to hide behind that title as well. And the customer in America is becoming more savvy, becoming more smarter. The information age is here. And they're saying, hey, I just really just wasted my money with this guy. Let me go try to take it on myself and get the assistance of somebody who can, for a lot cheaper, who can possibly help me move this case forward. A lot of attorneys, they want to keep the case going for billable hours. like I said, the customers becoming more savvy. So a lot of customers for the legal document preparation business slash industry is coming from people who tried to use attorneys and the attorneys did it wrong. Or maybe the attorney didn't do them wrong and the case was they just lost the case. But I'm talking about the instances where attorneys made promises they couldn't keep, not returning phone calls, not staying up to date. You'd be surprised how much business you can retain just by picking up your phone, not having a AI answer, not having and just picking up the phone. Okay, no secretary or nothing. See, in my business, my legal document preparation business, I my phone line that I advertise goes directly to me. All right. There's no middleman or anything, and so, it's just a lot. So, just letting you guys know that what type of business you're getting into when you want to start a legal document preparation business, you're going to be getting a lot of leftovers from the attorneys who just did not give the time and attention needed to the customer. All right. And you can judge it. I'm not judging the attorneys. I'm not trying to badmouth attorneys or lawyers. I'm just saying this is the reality of the situation. A huge chunk will come from that aspect. And so I'm glad. I'm not mad at them or the attorneys or anything. I mean, thank you. Thank you because you help us thrive by not providing good service to these people. And then all you have to do just fill out a form. It's crazy. A lot of a lot of cases that are halted because the attorney just didn't fill out a form. Okay, a form that you're gonna fill out for your customer that's gonna help them 100 times more than what attorney did to try to charge 8 billable hours to do. It's crazy how the value that you're going to be providing for these people, and it's going to be such a relief. Once again, you're not giving legal advice. You're not doing any of that. You're filling out a form, okay, that an attorney didn't want to do because it might stop them from making $1,000 in billable hours. You'd be surprised the relief and the satisfaction you bring to these people who just want to move their case forward. They don't want to play around with the red tape. They don't want to. They just want to get this over and done with. Most people don't like being involved in a legal situation, and that's fair. Okay, and so you'd be surprised the amount of business that's going to come from people who just got done wrong or perceived that they got done wrong by attorneys. No need to badmouth them. No need to do anything. Just say, hey, I'm sorry for your situation, and take it from there and provide the service you need to provide. But I just want to make this to let you guys know that this field it can get kind of ugly. You're gonna hear a lot of stories. You're gonna hear a lot about attorneys, and there's good attorneys out there too. But I'm just saying, a lot of the business for legal document preparation industry will come from people who were disgruntled by the service they receive from attorneys. Okay, so keep that in mind. Um, Once again, I do appreciate you guys for listening and coming through. Make sure you visit paralegalbusinessowner.com to learn how to start, run, and maintain your own paralegal and legal document preparation business. I do appreciate you guys. It is Neil signing out. Peace.